Good evening. There are two ways of risking your money in the forex market professionally. The first way is putting a lump sum in an account, then risking a small percentage of it, a percentage that you can lose over time, a percentage that you're comfortable losing, and I recommend it to be 5% or less. That is if you want to have peaceful trading. If you want to have peaceful trading without a lot of cries, or gold is doing this, Bitcoin did this, there is no reason for crying if you know what you're doing in the markets. The market is the safest place when you have the content, when you have the experience. Okay. Number two is dividing the amount in smaller portions. For example, taking $500, dividing it to $20. That will give you like 25 accounts. Then risking the $20 at the same time. You go full margin. That is now professional. You have 20 chances. You have 25 chances of trading. That is professional. Dividing the account into smaller portions, 20, 30, or whatever. I recommend smaller portions that will give you so many chances of trading. Probably dividing it to $25. That will give you 20 accounts. You risk this in a month. That 22 days of trading, I guess. Yeah, it should be 22 days of trading. And if you're trading Bitcoin, there are 30 days. So you can divide it into 22 accounts or 20 accounts. That's $25 each. Every day you risk $25. You go full margin. 90% of us have strategies that are over 50% accurate. I am sure you don't know because you don't follow up on your history. But 90% of traders have good risk, have good winning, have strategies that have a good winning rate, over 50%. What kills people is risk to reward ratio and psychology and the money they risk at a time. So if you have 20%, if you have these 20 accounts and you have a chance of winning, or you have winning rate of 50% and above, it means out of the 20 trades, probably if you are to be ideal, you're losing 10, you're winning 10. Whenever you go full margin, you want to, most of the time people double their account, triple their account, 10x their account. If you lose 10 accounts, if you lose 10 accounts times 25, that will give you to $50. You've lost to $50. And let's say that every time you went full margin, you're doubling your account. That's ideal again. But you can double, you can make the same amount, you can 10x at a given point. It depends. Let's be ideal and say you double every time you go full margin. It means you'll make 25. You'll make 25 times 2 times 10. That will give you $500. So you have a win of $500 and a loss of $250. The net profit will be $250. That is professional. Nobody's talking about this, but it is professional. It is achievable. It is manageable. People are saying that risk management for CIS is for weak people, but I'm sure this should not be a debate. This should not be a debate because we all know that with zero conscience to risk management, the result is always disastrous. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a very nice day.